Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is a pack rat a real rat? You might be surprised to find out that a pack rat is not only referring to your dad, but also a real rodent type found in western North America. Pack rat is actually a nickname for a wood rat because this rat likes to build intricate nests made of collected and discarded materials like sticks, twigs, and other vegetation debris. And like an easily amused baby, pack rats are fond of bright, shiny objects and will typically steal these objects and hoard them in their nests. Pack rats are also great climbers and will climb trees to get into attics. So if you find a large stick nest in your attic, woodshed, or cabin with little trinkets scattered around, then you're likely dealing with a wood rat, if not a goblin. Luckily, pack rats are seen as a nuisance and will typically forage for food outdoors. Once you have identified your pack rat, you can get control by sealing entry points to your structure and setting traps. You can also try asking, how much wood would a wood rat pack if a wood rat could pack wood? If you do it enough, they might get annoyed and just leave on their own. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. So if you find a large stick in your attic, woodshed, or cabin with little trinkets scattered around, you're likely dealing with a pack rat, if not a goblin. My precious, yeah, my precious.